Welcome to the Libman Education Coding Clinic Commentary Update for ICD-10 CM and PCS, Second Quarter 2021. My name is Faye, and I will be hosting this session of our update. Here we have a patient with a pituitary macroadenoma admitted for surgery. Let's define pituitary adenoma. It's a growth or tumor on the pituitary. There's a difference in the size of a macroadenoma and a microadenoma. The macroadenoma is 1 centimeter or greater in size, whereas a microadenoma is less than 1 centimeter. The patient that we are discussing has a macroadenoma. Let's look at the surgery. Documentation describes that the anterior middle fossa and the lateral cavernous sinus achieved via a frontotemporal approach. Cavernous sinus, involvement of the tumor was identified where the tumor had eroded the dura. Here we want to make sure we know what a cavernous sinus is. The cavernous sinus is one of the dural venous sinuses of the head. It's a network of veins that sit in a cavity, and in an adult it is approximately 1 by 2 centimeters in size. Continuing with the procedure, the cavernous sinus was opened and the macroadenoma was removed with suction and ring curettes. The question to Coding Clinic is, what ICD-10 PCS code should be reported? Coding Clinic advises to report 05BL0ZZ, excision of intracranial vein by open approach. Coding Clinic explains that the cavernous sinus is a dural venous sinus located within the brain. Our ICD-10 PCS body part key under dural venous sinus tells us to use intracranial brain, which is assigned the letter L in our 4th character of our PCS code for excision of the intracranial vein. Thank you for joining us for this presentation. If you have any questions or comments, we would very much like to hear from you. Happy coding!